Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to keep that glow going all summer long, you've come to the right place. Summer can be tough on our skin with all the sun exposure, heat, and humidity. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Tonight, I'm going to walk you through a bedtime skincare routine that'll have your skin thanking you by morning. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Cleansing. This is the most crucial step to remove all the dirt and grime. After a day of sun, sweat, and SPF, your skin needs a good cleanse. It's essential to get rid of all the impurities that can clog your pores. I start with an oil-based cleanser to break down any makeup, sunscreen, or impurities. Oil cleansers are great because they dissolve all the stubborn products on your skin. Massage it in, then rinse, and follow up with a gentle foaming cleanser to really get that deep clean. This double cleansing method ensures your skin is thoroughly clean. Next up, toning. In the summer, our skin tends to get oilier, so I like to use a toner with salicylic acid. This ingredient is fantastic for controlling oil and keeping your skin clear. This helps to keep pores clear and prevent breakouts. It's a lifesaver for those with acne-prone skin. Just swipe it on with a cotton pad, avoiding the eye area. Now let's talk serums. Serums are concentrated treatments that target specific skin concerns. Summer nights can be dehydrating due to air conditioning, so I opt for a hydrating serum packed with hyaluronic acid. This ingredient is a moisture magnet. This ingredient draws moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and radiant. It's perfect for maintaining that dewy look. Gently press it into your skin. Don't forget your neck. Step 4. Treatments. This is where you can address specific issues like dark spots or uneven skin tone. If you're dealing with dark spots or uneven skin tone, a vitamin C serum is your best friend. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It brightens the skin and fights free radicals. This helps to even out your complexion and give you a radiant glow. Apply a few drops and let it sink in. Be patient and let the serum do its magic. Moisturizing is crucial even in the summer. Your skin needs hydration to repair itself overnight. Opt for a lightweight gel-based moisturizer that hydrates without feeling heavy. These types of moisturizers are perfect for hot, humid nights. Look for ingredients like aloe vera and green tea, which soothe and calm the skin. These natural ingredients are gentle and effective. Spread it evenly across your face and neck. Make sure every part of your skin gets the hydration it needs. Finally, don't forget your eyes and lips. These areas are often neglected but need just as much care. Use an eye cream with peptides to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Peptides help to strengthen the skin around your eyes. Tap it gently around your eye area. Be very gentle as the skin here is delicate. For your lips, a nourishing lip balm will keep them soft and smooth. Look for balms with ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil. And there you have it, a simple, effective summer night skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine and your skin will thank you. Stick to this routine and your skin will stay glowing all summer long. Your skin will look and feel its best. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more skincare tips. We have lots of exciting content coming up. Sweet dreams and glowing skin. Bye for now, take care and see you in the next video.